Meet our galactic neighbor. There's a silent wanderer hanging in our night sky, so vast, so close, yet so quietly overlooked. You might have seen it without realizing, a faint smudge in the dark, barely noticeable to the naked eye. But that humble smudge, it's the Andromeda Galaxy, the closest spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way. And it's not just a neighbor, it's a giant, bigger and more massive than our own galaxy. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you over 2.5 million years to get there. That's not just distance, it's a time capsule. The light we see from Andromeda tonight actually left it during the time early humans were first learning to use tools. It's like looking through a cosmic window into the deep past. But Andromeda isn't just a relic, it's a message. A reminder that even in the vastness of the cosmos, we're not alone in the dark. Galaxies like ours aren't solitary islands floating aimlessly. We're part of a larger galactic family. And Andromeda? It's our sibling, slowly drifting closer every second. Isn't it wild that while we scroll through phones and binge-watch shows, entire galaxies are inching toward one another for a cosmic reunion?